Before we dive into the latest news, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button for more exciting content. Uh, what happens when a talented actor finds a new role that echoes his most iconic character? Uh, for Travis Fimmel, the answer lies in his latest project, Dune Prophecy. As a fan of science fiction and epic storytelling, it's thrilling to see Travis Fimmel take on the role of Desmond Hart in Dune Prophecy. Having followed his career since his days as Ragnar Lothbrok on Vikings, it's clear that Fimmel has found the perfect role to showcase his versatility and talent. And Fimmel's character in Dune Prophecy shares many traits with his iconic role as Ragnar Lothbrok in Vikings, as they are both skilled warriors. It's exciting to witness Fimmel return to such a role given his exceptional portrayal of Ragnar over 4 seasons of the series Vikings. In Vikings, Fimmel led the cast as Ragnar Lothbrok for the initial 4 seasons before his surprising demise. The show boasts an impressive 93% rating on Rotten Tomatoes, and the first 4 seasons, which focus on Ragnar as the central figure, are often considered the series' best. In Dune Prophecy, Fimmel takes on the role of Desmond Hart, a hardened warrior who has endured numerous tours on the desert planet Arrakis. The first episode introduces us to Desmond Hart, where he confronts Emperor Carino, claiming to be the sole survivor of a recent assault on Arrakis. While there are some resemblances between Hart and Duncan Idaho from the Dune films, it seems that Desmond Hart exhibits more traits suggestive of a villain. In Dune Prophecy, Hart alleges that the attack on Arrakis was not carried out by the Fremen, but instead was masterminded by the Emperor's supposed allies. It appears that Desmond Hart suspects the Bene Gesserit are manipulating affairs within the Imperium and has decided to confront them. Reminiscent of Ragnar Lothbrok, Desmond Hart seems set for greater exploits. However, unlike Ragnar, who can be ruthless and savage, Hart appears to be escalating his wickedness. Can Dune Prophecy repeat Viking success for Travis Fimmel? Well, with a 72% rating on Rotten Tomatoes, the show has already gained a significant following. As a spin-off from the Dune movie franchise, enthusiasts of the series are expected to keep watching to find out how Dune Prophecy Season 1 unfolds. Despite the fact that the first season of Dune Prophecy comprises merely 6 episodes, there's a high probability that it will be renewed for a second season. Given the circumstances, it appears that the role of Travis Fimmel in Dune Prophecy could effectively fill the void left by Vikings. But what else has Travis Fimmel been up to since Vikings ended? Before diving into the expansive universe of Dune Prophecy, he found himself as a key player in Raised by Wolves, another thrilling science fiction adventure that debuted on Max. Apart from Raised by Wolves, Fimmel has also graced screens in films like Dreamland, Die in a Gunfight, and One Way, to name just a few. Consequently, since he ceased playing Ragnar Lothbrok in Vikings, it's clear that Fimmel has kept himself quite occupied. On a lighter note, it seems that Travis Fimmel has a knack for playing characters who are a little rough around the edges. Maybe he's just drawn to roles that require a lot of beard maintenance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.